Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With night vision with pedestrian and animal detection, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, 21-inch aluminum wheels, pedestrian and cyclist emergency braking, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 5,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, select terrain system, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, ventilated rear seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6877.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.